Guys, huge news inside of the Bitcoin market. It looks like the probability for a US approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF is fairly high, coming from Bernstein. Now, the lack of a spot ETF leads to growth of over-the-counter products like Grayscale, Bitcoin Trust, which are more expensive, illiquid, and inefficient, said the report. So what this basically means, guys, is that a spot ETF is actually beneficial for USA, right? For anybody. They want to start showing this ETF as a benefit rather than something that is a quick run for making money. And this is great for us. It means that they can just keep spamming this report. It's kind of like when you do your homework and you've got that teacher that wants to help you out, right? You submit that piece of homework and they send it you back and they say, oh, sorry, you're just missing something. So instead of wasting your time and dragging this out, which they've been doing for the past few years, now they're just going back and forth and working on this together to make this spot ETF a possibility. Now, US Securities and Exchange Commission, which is the SEC, stance on Bitcoin exchange traded funds is a difficult one to hold. And the probability for approval is fairly high, guys, right? Says Bernstein. So this means that Bitcoin does have a leg to stand on. It really does have a huge leg to stand on. And we are on the brink of a bull market. For those of you guys that have followed me for a long time, and if you don't, make sure that you subscribe, because I drop the best updates out there. I don't scream, I don't, go too crazy or hype people up. I just show you guys the real stuff, right? And I want to show you something. So in terms of crypto as of now, if you don't know about this, I want to make you aware that this is the moment, right? This is the flip that can potentially happen. If I get rid of the other trend lines and the main trend lines that we follow on this channel, I just want to show you, make it clear that this is a huge flip here. So make sure that you stay in tune, you're keeping your attention. We are on the edge of the biggest support that there has been. And not many people are talking about this. We spoke about this for a while on the channel. But if we do flip this, support, we are in the mania phase. And there are two possibilities that can happen. We can come down to support level, which I said earlier, which will be healthy. Maybe make another higher high. So it'll probably be just above here, this 26K range, and then break out towards BTC halving, okay, which is March 4th. Or what we could do is we could come up here to get everybody super bullish and then hit this type of resistance and then come back down again. So either way, towards BTC halving, we will just be flowing. But we will be like a wave, right? We will be like a wave. And what I wanted to leave you guys with on this channel today is to understand that the crypto market is like water, right? The crypto market is like water. Where does money go? Well, what keywords do we say? The market can crash, the market can flow, and assets can get frozen. All of these words relate to one thing, and that is water. So when I want you guys to look at the market from now, leading into the BTC halving, is I want you to look at it like water. I want you to look at these price levels like a wave. And that way you won't be upset if we drop down, right? You won't be crying and going crazy like even I used to do a lot, right? And if the market goes up, you'll remember that what goes up must eventually come back down, right? Very similar to what we had at these levels up here. So many times in the last cycle, what we've seen is the market came up, but so many people were expecting this to go up forever, but it never does. We always must see a pullback, right? We always must see a pullback. So when I look at a chart, and now in the future, guys, when you look at a chart, I want you to look at this in terms of a wave, right? We go up, we go down, we go up, right? And we could crash slightly, right? But as long as in the technical terms, we have some higher lows and some higher lows, as we see here, higher low, higher low, higher low. Even if we come down and make another high low, that's okay, guys, that's okay. And I even wore the Pablo Escobar shirt, to show you guys how we're getting on. In terms of the altcoin market, the altcoin market is amazing right now. You can see ETH is looking exactly the same as BTC, right? We are knocking on the door of a major flip here, and this does mean that altcoins will fly. Altcoins follow Ethereum. That's just the way the game works. Everything follows Bitcoin and altcoins follow Ethereum. Technically, we are sound as well with Ethereum. We have a bottom, we have a higher low, and again a higher low. Okay, higher highs across the board, of course. We're going upwards momentum here. And you can expect to see a short pump in the short term for Ethereum. So those of you guys that are traders and are looking to actively trade, well, look at it in terms of the technicals, right? In terms of the technicals, we are above the key level, right? We've already retested this key level and we're on the move. You know, Ethereum is one of the best trades out there right now. It does have some more legs to stand on than Bitcoin, but that means that your altcoins, you know, your XRPs, which have just broken out of the huge descending wedge, are on the go. Waves will make a return, right? Waves bottomed out after this huge pump. Waves is going to go again. We're balancing on this key level. You know, technically, we are sound across the board for all of crypto. You know, if we go onto the 12-hour over here, you'll see Waves has recaptured this key level. Okay, obviously it needs to be a little bit cleaner, but even Waves has huge gains in it, you know, another 50% gain on that 10x leverage, that's 5x on your gains. You can even put your stop loss just below the lowest, just below the recent low. And you can see huge gains, you know. Polkadot, same thing. Polkadot is the exact same thing. We tapped the weekly resistance level, coming back down into this key support resistance area, which was this bear market low, right, which we captured, retested, lost. We've gained it again. Now we've broken out, you know. Polkadot, huge gains to be made, right? We can long from here. We can make 20% gains all the way to about 43% to 50% gains. So the market is in a great space, guys. Keep your heads open, stay on these charts, set your key levels. Obviously, like, share, and subscribe if you want to follow me. And remember, guys, if you are new here and you want to know exactly how I have made money and got to this stage, I don't do this anymore because obviously I'm past that stage now. I just invest and build businesses. But if you want to learn the exact same steps I follow to get to this stage, click the link in the description. You can join the Side Hustle Club. I'll give away all of my content on social media marketing, resale, and dropshipping completely for free. Just to help you guys start making some more money. And I'm going to be adding a crypto channel inside of here as well, where I'll be adding my signals, the buys and sells and the trades that I'm making as well, and the long-term investments I'm making. Guys, it's going to be an amazing next few years, and I'm very grateful to have you guys on this journey. So please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.